Hi.
Hi there. I'm Julien Bittard, and I'm the brother of the CEO of Piano LED. Piano LED, we are a company, and we've designed this black box here connected to this LED strip. And
You can
with
connect
it,
to every piano.
every digital piano.
Digital or analog?
Digital piano. No, it can't be an
Yeah.
analog piano because we need the MIDI plug right here back
Even
of
the
the
old
piano.
pianos have this, no? MIDI.
All the yes, but it has to be digital. Yeah, it has to be digital. And with it, we try to make people learn the piano. How we do that? By playing songs, maybe popular songs. Here we'll take an example. I'll play with both hands, but you can choose to play with the right hand or with the left hand. Here I play with both. Let's go. Let's learn this song, and this song is very famous.
So
Here,
green for right hand, blue
of
for
course,
left hand.
You understood it.
Nice. So there's potential for learning, and you can try to optimize your tempo. Your rhythm has to be accurate.
Yes, it
and
has to be
everything.
accurate, and you have to use the many features. I don't know if here I can show
What's
you.
potential with how many songs could it potentially teach you? Any song that's out there in MIDI?
We have a bank of 700 songs, and it's incrementing every single month. Okay,
Jazz, classical?
jazz, classical, pop music, film music, video game maybe.
Basic, advanced?
Basic, advanced, 5 level of difficulty. If yes, facile, normal, difficile, expert, and maître. Those are our 5 levels of
I'm a
difficulty.
maître.
And
Okay,
it's
that's cool. I'm joking. So this is exactly 88
here it's
size.
88 size, but if your piano is shorter, you can shorten up your LED.
You're not gonna cut it, right?
You can cut it.
You can cut it.
You can't cut it. Absolutely.
And it still works.
Yeah, it still works.
But you put it
It's
once,
designed for.
and then
because it's stock.
Nice.
As it's stock, you see.
so I
here
can just
you can't move
put
it.
this for my baby to learn to play the piano.
Maybe, maybe with basic songs you can do it with a very learner, with people who never played any piano in their lives. It's my case. I never played before my
But now
brother
you're a
invented
maître
it.
already.
I'm playing it very well. I'm playing
So if there's a
it
party,
well.
you can volunteer to make play the piano because you're good now
Yeah, but with the LED, of course.
with the LED. What I want, but maybe it's not yet, I want to be improvising music. It needs to recognize the chords that I'm playing and recommend other notes that I can play that would sound good with the chords that I'm playing while I improvise.
It's totally possible because in the meantime we have this functionality. Maybe not on this version, but you can record your song. As you can record your song,
You can compose yourself.
Yep, you can record
And the LED
them.
is going to help you?
Maybe because then you know exactly what you played. So with this recording, you record it, and our LED strip will show where you pressed, and you can do it again, and you can share it, and you can compose with this MIDI song that you just created.
Because I want to accompany a band or AI band or something,
No.
but I need some guidance to not just hit random notes all the time, but to try to stay in the chords that are appropriate to make it sound good. So it
No.
needs to understand
You mean-
what it's playing and recommend. It doesn't have to tell you exactly what to type,
No.
but it could light up all the LEDs for all the keys in that chord.
Maybe, but for now on,
something.
this is not our main idea. For now on, we are the very key to the first door inside the music, and when you reach this door, it's pretty amazing because nothing is more stressful than learning the music and doesn't be able to play good songs. With our solution, from the very first days, very first weeks, you can be better.
What's the chipset here? What is a
Chipset?
system?
This is our chipset. We can't tell.
And you make a
that much
software exactly that works good in there?
Yeah.
That plays Bluetooth to your
Yes.
tablet?
Yes, yes.
iOS, Android?
iOS, Android, and computer.
You can even use the phone?
Yeah. We use the phone. We use the phone like a remote to our piano. Yeah, totally.
I think in theory it should be able to take the whole library of all compositions,
We pay for it
automatically
and,
import them in your solution.
this
Not
is
just 700, it could be everything. Because
but we can't put them all at once. It's better to add them little by little and to add a little bit more every single month. Because when you have too much choice, sometimes you don't know where to go. With our strategy, people will be able to use new songs and say, "Oh, I know this one. I want to play this one," and it's pretty good.
Nice. Because I do think that it would be nice to, for example, do variations on the Chopin or whatever, and then do variations because your app should be able to help you to not just do exactly the notes that it says, but
Chopin.
to kind of guide you around, you know?
I have Debussy. I don't know how to play it, so I will ask my.
Sorry.
I will ask my piano to play it. Okay.
Dr. Julian, are you a sound engineer?
I am. No, I'm not in the music. I'm a pharmacist myself. I'm pharmacist myself, and but I help my brother, who is the CEO of the company, to design, to develop, to manufacture sometimes. Yeah.
Nice. Yeah. Nice. This is great. But yeah, you know, like this Debussy is amazing, but I want to expand on it. So you know what I mean? Like, I wanted to guide me. Maybe with all the different, because you do LEDs, you do different colors. They could be like tones that are in key, out of key, but could work. You know, like light it up to help you create.
It's possible, but for the creation, I think it's a little bit too early for us.
Maybe in the future you could add this.
In the future,
maybe.
Yes.
You're a startup, right?
Maybe, of course. Yeah, we were born 4 years ago, so we are not quite a startup. We sold 5,000 units for now on, but we have plenty to do again. The game is just beginning. And it's pretty amazing, pretty exciting.
And what's the colleagues you have here in Las Vegas?
My colleagues here are my real friends. Dylan is the developer of the whole situation of the
embedded systems and everything?
He's the one who
app?
created the app also. And Arthur is our
marketing communications.
All
right.
Yes,
cool.
He's
all right.
A great man to.
And you're based in where?
We are based in Lille, and we manufacture in Verdun. I don't know if somebody knows about Verdun.
That's a real place,
yeah? Yeah, it's a real place. It's a small village in France, and it's very famous for the history of France. And we manufacture those things in Verdun.
And what's the price for a kit?
It's 200 euros for the kit, or $230, and you may subscribe for to use the whole premium pack.
So it's a monthly subscription?
Yeah, a monthly subscription.
So it's not free to use forever?
No. You have a basic pack, the 53 songs, the basic pack, and then you have the premium pack with 700 music and many more features that we can't show you today, but that we will be showing at the CES after tomorrow.
No. So I think there's no excuse. People can go on Le Bon Coin or what it's called, eBay. Just get a cheap piano, Yamaha, Roland, whatever. Get the kit. And start learning. Your kids can learn. Your whole family can learn.
We also sell a piano on our website. So the website is what is our website? Is it written? No?
Yeah,
no,
piano LED,
it's not.
I will link it under the video.
Pianoledshop.com. Pianoledshop.com. And here we are.